For the best in auto body customizing and painting, turn to Kavin Auto Collision and Rebuilding. We will be able to design, create, and implement that special touch for your vehicle. We will work with you to make sure our custom paint job puts a smile on your face. We take pride in our work and treat all our customers with respect, professionalism, and great service. Give Kavin Auto Collision and Rebuilding a call today and drive home happy. Turn to Kavin Auto Collision and Rebuilding. Give Kavin Auto Collision and Rebuilding a call today and drive home happy.